This car got beaten up as if it was getting bullied by high schoolers. I would be traumatized by the amount of time the cars hit him. A delightful way to end your day. I'd love to have my car thrown into a yard by some idiot while it's raining and it's dark. My cup of tea. This guy should be in jail for this type of driving. Excessive speeding just a little bit, don't you think? You can't even call this an accident by the way only one car got a little damage. The damage being the tiniest dent ever. That was such a dramatic accident. I wonder if these accidents happen frequently because just today, I learned people drive like this. What type of attention did this driver want? Was he that desperate that he had to drive into someone else's car? It's always when you least expect something to happen, something happens. When I hear about a car accident, I never would think of an accident like this. The driver was really in a mood to ruin someone's day. Like he was waiting normally, without driving away, but then he decided to cause some trouble. Why do car accidents happen at the least expected moment? Like when you think everything is going good, everything goes horrible. This person's car slowed down, so the other car decided to help him gain speed again. So sweet and nice. The way this car hits the other car and drives away gives off such a little sibling hitting the older sibling and then running away to hide vibes. The fact that both cars don't even react a bit and just drive off like nothing happened surprises me. There's no one more nonchalant than them. It looks like both cars are attached by a magnet by the way they drive off so close. There's no denying that they were aggravated from the accident. When I say I'm concerned for the people who let these types of drivers get a license, I mean it. There's no way they get their license legally. This car was really feeling a little rebellious that day. Too sad for him. He didn't succeed in doing anything rebellious. The poor guy was so done with this other driver. This is why you always get ready for snow before you go on driving. Hey guys, thanks again for tuning in. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay safe out there. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.